and your client can come on up to the front. If you have a lawyer and they're not here yet, just let me know, okay? Because we can hold it for a little while. A couple people already know that your lawyers have conflicts. So we will chat. How about Amanda Clark Palmer and Richard Goodine?
Morning.
Sorry, I was calling you like a.
Okay.
All right. What do we have for Mr. Goodine?
Oh, he has no violations. He's been compliant.
All right.
Good to see you. All
Good to see you, Ms. Clark Palmer. Y'all have a good day.
right, thank you.
All right. Let's see. What about Charles Lester? Charles Lester.
Mr. Lester was released to PAD and the case is in judicial hold, but according to the notes in Odyssey, he's not had any violations.
Yeah, we've not been tracking him since 22 from the other company. He's not tracking. We don't have a monitor for him.
So did he have an ankle monitor on or no?
No,
Are you sure?
he's not been tracking since 22. I can confirm, but as far as I see, he doesn't have any.
I'm sorry, Miss Feely. What did you say?
There were no notes in Odyssey.
All right. So
Going down your calendar.
Well, I mean, if they saying that he was never given it, there's never been an order for an ankle monitor?
I mean,
He was released in 22.
he was. I mean, he had one then, so I don't.
Why don't we just, there's not a whole lot, we need to investigate that. Just, see what the status, he was released from custody. So he was supposed to have an ankle monitor and this is before you guys got onto it. So that was under Tricks, possibly.
I don't know. It was done by me. I don't know if that ankle monitor paid for by the county on my bond order.
All right, well, there's the court order for it. And,
And I'll check with Judge Lefferts too.
okay.
All right. All right. I've got Justin Baylor. Mr. Baylor. Come on up. Is that someone in your office, Miss Feely?
It is not.
How about your lawyer? Do you know where your lawyer is? In a courtroom? Uh-huh. Was it okay. What does it say about his?
He's in compliance.
There you go. Good job. Thank you. Let's keep it up. All right. What about Macy Thrash?
Your Honor, can we turn the microphone on at the podium?
Oh, it's green.
It's green.
Oh, then it should be on. Tap it. Tap it. Yeah. So maybe pull it down a little bit. I think he was maybe standing too far away also. Yeah.
Possibly, yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Macy Thrash. Where's Mr. Milnick? Anybody know? Looks like he's already got a. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, I just, is there, does the court want an announcement from the state if?
Yes, go ahead.
Obviously, subject to good notice, Your Honor, the state requests bench warrant bond forfeiture.
All right. What is he? What's going on with his?
She's not tracking either. She's not tracked since the other company, 23.
All right. All right. Let's see. Keontae Guthridge. Keontae Guthridge. Miss Feely, that's your folks?
Yes. Now.
What do we got, ankle monitor?
The only thing he has on him is a dead battery from 10/7 to 10/8. October 7, October 8th.
What about at pretrial?
No new arrests. Been out it's been on since 9/1/22.
Right, so, subject to good notice, Your Honor, state requests bench warrant bond forfeiture.
All right. Anything, Miss Feely?
He's been appearing for Judge Cox's calendars, and given that there's only one violation, we'd ask the court to just allow Judge Cox to continue handling it.
So, who's Mr. Melnick? Mr. Melnick, his client seems to think that if he updates the address in Odyssey, it gets updated with the ankle monitor company. All right, so yeah, I'll check that out and check with, Judge Cox. What about Leonard Hodges? Is that from your office too, Ms. Feely?
And she's new with us, so.
What about an ankle monitor company?
He has 2 violations for inclusion zone. He was tracked at a residential home and at a gas station on 1010.
Boston.
No new arrests, had it on since 6/25/22.
All right, Ms. Feely?
He's been on this ankle monitor quite some time. We'd ask court to consider removing it, given he's mostly in compliance.
All right, I'll reach out to Judge Cox and ask him. Looks like he's set for trial in January. Think? Yeah, January 7th. Does that sound right? All right, what says the state?
Your Honor, we'll leave it in your discretion in connection with this ankle monitor.
All right, Ms. Feely, I'll check with, I got a lot of emails to send Judge Cox, so I'll send Judge Cox an email. Thank you, sir. Keep it charged. So we don't have Mr. Wright here yet, but Jamarius Rogers? What about Jamarius Rogers? How's his going?
He's doing fine. He did call our office there on 10/6, and he said he wasn't aware about the 24-hour house arrest. He was only told to charge his monitor.
So now you good?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. Take care. All right, Matthew Chislin?
That's my client. I haven't had contact with him in over a year. I was not expecting him. There's already, I believe, a bench warrant and a judicial hold status for the case in Judge Cox.
Judge Cox, what says the state? That was from 2023.
Subject to good notice and the circumstances by defense counsel, we will request a bench warrant, but there's already one out there in connection with this defendant.
I know there's a hold. Let me see if there's a warrant. I don't see the warrant, but if there's not the warrant, I'll do that. All right. Thank you, Ms. Rondon.
Thank you.
Rodriguez Gunn. What do you got for Mr. Gunn there?
One quick second. Let me find his
Bostic?
name.
No new arrests, had it on since 6/4/21.
That's good. I have nothing on his end as well.
All right. It looks like, Ms. Feely, this is yours too, right?
He's got a final plea with Judge Williams coming up as well.
Yeah. Yeah, and so, yeah, you got a final plea November the 3rd. All right, sir, thank you so much. All right, let's see. What about Dathan Hardy?
We're skipping 10?
Excuse me. Yep, I did.
Okay.
But I'm sorry, no, I'll go back. Since I skipped number 10.
Oh,
No, go ahead, yeah, Dathan Hardy, go ahead. Bostic, what do we got?
He's had it on since 12/12/21. He was in custody on an FTA on this case from 11/8/24 to 9/3/25. He's had 2 new arrests since being out in 21. Obstruction in 23 and a meth and obstruction in 24.
Thank you, Commander.
I have one violation on 10/8. He was tracked at a Reflection Student Apartments. That's one thing I have for him.
He was tracked to who?
He was tracked at a apartment complex that's not his home. Reflection Student Apartments. That's the name of the apartment he was tracked at.
Reflections.
Student apartment.
What was that for?
Personal.
Okay. Your Honor, to my knowledge, Mr. Hardy has he's applied to 16 different jobs and had at least 2 interviews, and that Reflections apartment complex is one of the places he was working, doing pressure washing. I received an email prior to this calendar about the inclusion violation, and that's when we had a phone call. And I let him know that anytime he has to leave the house for work, whether that be a job interview, an official schedule, he needs to let the ankle monitor company know in advance so they do not violate him for something that he is allowed to be doing. So going forward, he knows to call the ankle monitoring company as well as to let me know that he's got, XYZ job interview and or I'm going to this place at this time for this job.
Right, also, if you change addresses, all that, and I would call them and email them. Thank you, Monica. Okay, all right, thank you, sir. All right,
All right.
let's go back.
Or maybe we'd be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. Back to number 10, Master Perry. Master Perry. Ms. Feely?
I have that, there weren't any notes, obviously, about any violation. The notes assigned to Judge Kraus.
Oh, we got Bostic.
He's had, 1, 2, 3, 5 arrests, but they're mostly for driving with a suspended license. Last one was 10/28/24 misdemeanor obstruction. He's been out since 8/31/22.
All right. Mr. Jenkins?
Well, if he certainly isn't here, so at this time, subject to good notice, state request bench warrant bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
All right. What about you? What about,
He's had 5 different dead batteries on different days.
I mean, like, what days?
9/15,
Uh-huh.
9/17, 9/19, 9/23, 9/30, and 10/8.
All right. Subject good notice, then, yeah, we'll do bench warrant. What about, let's see, next one. Deshaun Watson. Deshaun Watson. Is that y'all's too, Miss Feely?
It is, and his also says that he's not, there's no note of honesty about any violations.
All right. What about an ankle monitor?
He's not been tracked since 22.
Where's this? What about Bostic?
No new arrests. Been out since 7/19/22.
Tracking since 92, wow.
Mr. Jenkins?
Your Honor, that is state's request for bond forfeiture, bench warrant,
And I think,
subject to good notice, of course.
and with these that are not tracking, I don't think we have any information about whether that is the fault of Mr. Watson or not. So we'd ask the court to just let Judge Kraus handle it.
Well, I mean, he didn't show up today. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna check with Judge Krause and see. All right, let's see, and make sure it showed up. Savion Blankley. What about an ankle monitor?
He only had a dead battery for 2 hours on 10/8, and that's the only thing we have for him.
Bostic?
No new arrests. Had it on since 9/26/22.
Mr. Shard, anything?
Been pristine, pretty much on ankle monitor and done everything he's supposed to do. I think we're close to a resolution on this case, but otherwise I'd ask if he could be relieved of the ankle monitor.
Is this the 1024 case?
It is.
Okay,
Part of the issue was it was announced in the court that there was 15 violations.
okay. But this is the 1024 case that I'm supposed to hear?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Now, he said I may have to get there an hour early. He said I need an hour to fill me in on what's happening.
I'm not exactly.
Yeah. All right,
I don't know.
okay.
In fact, I would advise.
Yeah, in his courtroom. Yeah, all right, I'll see y'all then. Thank you, sir. All right, I got Samuel Cradle. This is y'all's, Miss Feely.
It is, and it looks like he's been appearing with the court of appointments.
All right,
Is there no notes in honesty about any violations?
all right, ankle monitor, what you got?
We have no violations for him at the moment.
What about you, Bostic?
No new arrests. Been out since 11/23/22.
Mr. Jenkins?
Subject to good notice, Your Honor, state's request for bench warrant, bond forfeiture.
All right, I'll email Judge Williams.
Especially with no violations, no new arrests.
All right, let's see, number 15, Tariq Loban. There he is.
Good morning, Your Honor. Teresa Mafud with the Law Offices of Carson R. Matthews.
All right, go ahead, ankle monitor, what you got?
He's in compliance.
Bostic?
He's had 4 arrests since getting out 9/4/22, 9/15/23 for ID theft out of Cherokee, 4/11/24 for battery family violence, 9/23/24 for simple battery family violence, 9/24/24 for violation of family violence or an obstruction out of Gwinnett.
And Your Honor, my understanding is that Gwinnett County case wasn't even prosecuted. They didn't have sufficient evidence to prosecute that. And the others, were they misdemeanors?
All 3.
The others are misdemeanors. Except Cherokee County, it's nonviolent. That was the idea.
ID theft.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he hasn't had since that, since that happened, he hasn't had anything else, but he has been in compliance. He has done everything that has been asked of him on ankle monitor. And he is currently working with Georgia AAU football, and he just got a position as head coach for AAU basketball. For
GFL,
yeah, what's the age group?
9 and 10.
9 and 10-year-olds.
All right, let's see.
And my understanding is he's been doing an amazing job as a coach.
So have you guys modified his bond?
So
Has this bond ever been modified?
we had a pending motion at one point to remove the ankle monitor.
Because one of my says, stay out of Fulton County.
Stay out of Fulton County. I believe that was modified, Your Honor. That was modified. Because I think Attorney Matthews and I handled that a while ago because it wasn't possible, I think, based on his job.
That's what I'm looking for, see if it's. Motion to modify, but I don't see where it's been modified. Yeah, I see a motion to modify that was filed in March. But I just don't see where it's been modified. Mr. Jenkins?
Well, I mean, there is a distinction between a motion to modify and a modification order granted by the court. And so we certainly don't have a problem with him in the AAU, but that puts him in Fulton County. Well, that's a problem.
Let's see. So that's work or is that like volunteer stuff?
It's volunteer.
That's work?
Yeah, it's work.
Okay.
And it's in Gwinnett County.
Did you let the ankle monitoring company know about that?
Yeah, all the time.
Okay, because it says he'll stay out of Fulton County except for work.
I don't work here. The job is
Yeah.
in Gwinnett.
Oh, yeah, the AAU is in Gwinnett
Gwinnett
County,
County.
Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, and this is stay out of Fulton, well, it says work or court. Is there any other reason you need to be out of Fulton, in Fulton County?
Doctor. And then I had called one time and told him I had to pick my son up. He's at his grandmother's house. My wife is at.
Okay. All right, if that needs to be modified, let me know when you talk to Mr. Matthews, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Should we, I know he's tried to change it. I thought that it was changed. Should we just file
Yeah, you can
submit
file
an
it, send
order?
it to Mr. Jenkins, see if he, yeah, send it to him. So, but all those other violations, I mean. So, got it? Keep it charged, do what you're supposed to do. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Daniel.
Business, may I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Daniel Pagan.
You have a card, I can write my email address for you.
Daniel Pagan.
No.
So Daniel Pagan. Bostic, what do you got? Anything?
Pagan, got out 8/8/22, has 4 arrests since then. Last one was for driving with a suspended license. 8/23/23, he was in Fulton County
All right.
for a day for that. And in on a FTA in 8/23/23 also.
What about you, Ankle Monitor?
He's not been checked since he got on 8/8/22 from the other company before us.
Okay. Well, I don't know how we kind of check on that, but somehow we'll figure it out. All right, thank you. What about, now this one's in jail. Jeanette Tellis Iceless.
She's been sentenced. She was sentenced.
When was she sentenced?
10/2/25.
When was she sentenced? Because I,
10/2,
He's not here.
2 years incarcerated, 8 years confinement,
oh, took first for no.
8 years probation, I mean.
All right. So she's been,
What position are we on?
17, was sentenced 10/2.
She's already sentenced in this case?
Yes.
All right.
yeah.
Well, that absolves this.
All right.
Did I request a bond forfeiture on 16?
Yes.
Okay.
So we'll check and see. I'll speak with Judge Kraus and see what.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah. I don't know what's happening when it's got, they're not turn them over. Sydney Stinchcomb. So if she could go back. Sydney Stinchcomb. Bostic,
No new arrests, been out since 4/2/23.
ankle monitor.
She has a stay away order to stay away from Joseph Lowry Boulevard Road, and she's been there for 4 times.
Ms. Feely,
Given the nature of the charge and the fact that this is assigned to Judge Cox, we've just asked that she be allowed to continue addressing her matter with Judge Cox.
Judge, in a case like this, with this type of charge, I'll leave it in the court's discretion.
all right, it looks like, it looks like she may be in judicial hold anyway.
I don't know what's going on here, but.
All right, I'll check with Judge Cox and let
Yes.
you know. All right, what about John Shawcross? John Shawcross. John Shawcross. Bostic,
No new arrests, been out since 9/8/22.
ankle monitor.
Not tracking.
Since when?
Since we took over the company in 4/24/24.
Might be in prison somewhere, who knows?
Hold on, what now?
Probably sent an email saying.
Is he in DeKalb now?
He's been invested in counseling and now I'm in drug court
So he's not in custody anymore.
and fear in court for judges on October 14th.
All right, I'll check with Judge Williams.
All right, so
All
it
right.
was in court on the 14th? Yeah, that would be,
Okay,
before we issue a bench warrant.
all right. Ahmed Salih. Ahmed Salih. Come on up, sir. All right. What do we got?
Got out 7/9/22, arrests for a firearm that was dismissed, and he got out 4/5/24.
All right, ankle monitor.
He's only had 1 violation at a residential home that's not his stay on his home zone.
When was that?
37 Amal Drive, Southwest Atlanta, Georgia, 30315.
And I got this, that on 10/10, you were at home for that alert. Talking to you?
Excuse me?
Oh, you're not paying attention.
Oh,
Said I'm talking to you. They emailed me and told me that you had not an alert, but you were at home on that one, right?
What was the address again?
No, on 10/10.
1010?
That's not an address, that's a date. On the 10th of October,
Uh-huh.
there was an alert, but they said Barwick said you've already been taken care of, that you were at home when that alert came in, that you were,
Oh, about my ankle monitor?
right.
Yeah.
That's why we're here.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
All right.
I thought we were, sorry.
All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm sorry. All right, thank you.
All right, Starrett Boynton. Starrett? Bostic.
No new arrests, 3/15/24.
All right, ankle monitor.
It shows he has a backplate tamper. That means he would just have to kind of inspect his device and he should be fine.
Wait, say it one more time.
He has a backplate tamper, which means he might have hit his ankle monitor on something. We just need to inspect it, make sure it's still on his ankle, and we should be good to go.
So you just need somebody to look at it, or where somebody's going to look at it?
I can do it.
Okay, and just hang out for a second. We're almost done. All right, thank you. All right, let's see. Jemiah Sullivan. Jemiah Sullivan. Bostic.
Sullivan, no new arrests, 2/24/25.
Ankle monitor.
We don't have anything on her.
All right, Mr. Showalter. Looks like you've got a motion in here anyway, right?
Yeah, I do have a pending motion to remove the ankle monitor and modify bond conditions if the court would consider that this time.
She's still living in that location, or
Yeah.
Mr. Jenkins? I don't know if you got it pulled up.
We certainly would, given that there's 2 capital offenses charged here in this matter. And when was this person placed on the ankle monitor? It's pre-indictment, so It's fairly recent.
It was February 24th.
All right. With those offenses, we certainly object to the removal of any ankle monitor.
So let's get, and also ask for, modify the 24-hour curfew. So what is she need it?
Yeah,
No,
I
but put it
want-
on the record what she needs it modified.
Okay, so if the conditions are difficult for her to maintain because she's really doing like hotel living, and she doesn't have much of a criminal history at all. It's and so I'll be asking the court, this is her second time in front of you regarding the compliance hearings, and she's been found to be compliant both times, and since she's had this thing on since the 24th, she's been doing the best she can with it. Anytime she has to go anywhere, she is calling up the ankle monitor company.
Is she able to work?
She is able to work, but it's, things are tough.
I mean, is the ankle monitor hindering her ability to work? I guess that's what I'm looking at for the 24-hour curfew.
I mean, would you say so?
I mean, Spicy did die at work. I know that.
Yeah,
But other than that,
all right.
Because it says, with exceptions of work, legal, medical emergency, or, I didn't do this as his appointment, which I don't know what that means. So if you want to send it to Mr. Jenkins, and, because I don't know when you'll be back on the calendar for the, is this on the, yeah, well, 10/21. No, looks like it's back on 10/21. Yeah, it looks like you're on for 10/21 at 9 a.m. to be. We'll let them talk about that, okay?
All right,
All right, thank you, ma'am.
do that.
All right, I got, this one's in jail, Powers Sebron.
Yeah, been in custody 8/5/25 for an FTA on another case, 24 SC 004345, an ag assault firearm by.
Go ahead.
Hold on, he's been in jail since 8/5/25. I think we were here for that.
You want to bring him out?
Yes.
Yeah. What was that case number 24?
24 SC 004345.
So on these charges, it looks like he got out in February.
Initially 1/24/25 on this case.
I hate to make you do it again, Bostic, but preach.
Oh, he's been in custody since 8/5/25 on the open case, 24 SC 004345, ag assault firearm during firearm by. He got it out on this case 1/24/25.
All right, and ankle monitor.
We took off the ankle monitor last time we were here for his,
For him to go to jail?
Mhm.
Okay. Let me see, let me go up to the other case. 24. Mr. Jenkins, yes.
He doesn't have an ankle monitor on him, he's in custody.
Yeah,
So, I mean, is there a formal removal order from the court?
okay. So you were set for trial on, where, wait, is it still, you were set for trial for this one, right? On October 14th? How you doing?
Oh, how you doing, Judge?
You were
ma'am?
set for trial, right? October 14th?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, I'll reach out to Judge Dunaway. All right, let me see what Judge Dunaway wants. When you get out there, you're gonna have to report, okay? And tell them that, you need to put an ankle monitor back on.
All right, no problem.
Ms. Feely?
Yes, Your Honor, this is his mother, but unfortunately, it looks to me like he's in jail on the 24 SC case with Judge Dunaway, so that the court wouldn't be able to
All right,
do anything to release him at this point.
that's it.
That
That-
particular case.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Am I gonna be able to get released?
Well, I'm gonna talk to Judge Dunaway. All right, Janisha Crumbly. Come on up, Ms. Crumbly. Go ahead.
No new arrests, had it on 6/22/25.
Ankle monitor.
We don't have anything on her. The only thing is she lives really close to her stay away zone, about 300 feet away from it. So we have a lot of GPS drift.
He speaks too fast for me
I'm
to
sorry.
understand.
Yeah, okay, hold on.
We have no violations
Hold on,
for her.
hold on one sec. Hey. All right, go ahead, one more time.
We have no violations for her at this moment, but she lives about 300 feet from her stay away zone. So we have a lot of GPS drifts, which is not violation, no violations.
Okay.
Go ahead.
All right. I mean, it sounds like there's no violations. And if I understand, he's just saying that she happens to live close to the stay away location. And so they can't really be calling it violations.
Guess you gotta be careful and tiptoe around there because you know where you're supposed to stay away from, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, outstanding. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, on the add-on calendar, we got, yeah. I don't know.
Let me see.
Hold on.
Oh, here it is.
Didn't have it.
No.
Right.
Anybody got an extra?
Bostic didn't have it. You got an extra one?
Probably gonna have the histories on it, but
I don't know. All right, I got, is it Ania Shavers? Come on up, ma'am. Come on up to the podium. Where's, there he is. Oh, here's Mr. Ribson. He had to. Hey, I got him. Yeah, he's on here. Hold on one second. Let him get in here. Mr. Remsen.
you know.
Hey, Your Honor.
Hey, how are you? All right, go ahead. Bostic, you have anything? Or let me take the ankle monitor first.
History's not in there. She got out 7/26/25.
All right, ankle monitor company. Anything?
I don't have anything on her, but let me confirm on my end over here.
Do you understand him? Mr. Remsen, did you understand him?
Yes, thank you, Judge.
All right, hold on one sec.
No, man, we don't have anything for her.
All right, outstanding. Good job. Just keep it charged, okay? Thank you, ma'am. All right,
Perfect,
thank you,
thank
Mr. Benson.
Thank
Have a
you,
good
Your
day.
Honor.
Have a good
All right.
day. All right, I got Cordero Brewster, number 2, Cordero Brewster. Bostic, you don't have anything on him either. So what about ankle monitor?
He just got out 7/2/25 after spending 736 days in custody.
I think he has final plea in front of Judge Leffridge on 24. Is this yours, Miss Feely?
Let's see.
Position 2 on the add-on?
Yeah, number 2 on that, on the add-on.
This is the one that is with Judge Leffridge. It is one of ours. There were any notes and obviously about any violations.
No new arrest, Judge.
Okay. Yeah, I saw that. All right, I'll let, all right. What says the state, Mr. Jenkins?
How long has it been out?
7/2.
And it was placed with an ankle monitor as upon its release?
Yeah.
That's a bench warrant bond forfeiture.
All right. All right, about Daniel Gabriel. Outstanding.
And on number 2, I didn't hear if there were any ankle monitor violations. Did I miss that part?
No, he doesn't. We don't have anything on him.
You don't, they don't have, you don't have anything on him? What does that mean?
He has no violations. He's in compliance.
Well, where's he at right now? Can you see? Because he's not at 136 prior.
De tu grillete electrónico.
He's at 1317 Sharon Street, Atlanta, Georgia,
Es en 317.
from 10:07 a.m.
10:07 AM.
Mm. Interpreter on this one? All right, you swear or affirm you'll translate from English to Spanish, Spanish to English, to the best of your knowledge, skills, and abilities.
Yes.
All right, please.
No new arrests.
Restos no.
Let me see when he got out.
No, como si expediente.
Just a second.
I assume this is Daddy Neighbor.
La señora.
Got out 7/29/25.
El 21 de julio del 2025.
All right,
Muy bien.
ankle monitor.
Grillete electrónico.
Daniel Gabriel, he has no violations in compliance at this moment.
Él ha estado cumpliendo con las reglas del grillete electrónico. No ha quebrado ninguna regla del grillete electrónico.
All right, thank you.
Muy bien.
Ms. Feely, you want anything other than
Felix, ¿algo más?
have a good day, right? All right. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Just keep it charged. If you go anywhere and have to do something, make sure you notify the ankle monitor company.
Gracias, señor. Usted está cumpliendo. Si usted tiene que salir o tiene que moverse, por favor, mantenga a la compañía del grillete electrónico al tanto de su paradero. También asegúrese de mantener su grillete electrónico cargado. Tengo una pregunta. I have a question.
Oh, my goodness. Okay.
No hay ningún problema que yo me vaya a otro estado por asuntos como de, no sé, algún, como por ejemplo, si tengo que ir a visitar a mi familia por un día o algo así.
So I'm wondering if there would be any issue if I were to leave the state, like perhaps if I were to visit a relative out of state for perhaps a day, would there be any issue with that?
Let's see.
Vamos a ver.
So since Ms. Feely doesn't have it, I will tell you. I'll put this.
Billy no tiene ahí, déjeme ver su expediente.
So looks like your bond conditions are stay away from 1620 Hollywood Road.
Parece ser que la condición de su fianza es de que usted se mantenga alejado del 1620 Hollywood Road
No weapons, no alcohol,
y de que no tendrá armas ni alcohol
no drugs without a legal prescription.
y de que no tendrá drogas sin que se les sean recetas legalmente
And no further contact with Jennifer Lopez.
y de que no tendrá contacto con Jennifer López.
So that'll help Ms. Feely answer your question, okay?
No sé si eso le ayudará a la señora Tilly a responder su pregunta.
Is there anything he needs to do for the ankle monitor company?
Hay algo que tiene que
I
hacer
understand he
por
doesn't have a
parte de
bond
la
condition
compañía.
prohibiting him.
I would say let them know. Now, what do you feel about him going out of state?
Díganle, ¿cómo se siente si es que él sale fuera del estado? Le pregunta.
I apologize, Your Honor.
That's okay.
Take a motion.
Disculpa.
I mean, he doesn't have any conditions to like stay in, he didn't have a 24-hour or anything like that. What do you say about him like going out of state to see a relative?
I don't have an objection as long as there is notice given to pretrial and the ankle monitor company and the court itself establishing where he will be located and his time of return.
Okay.
Tiene expectativa de que él regresará al estado.
You good?
¿Le
All right.
parece bien? Sí.
I got this.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you. Thank you. The interpreter be excused.
Yes, didn't you sign your piece of paper?
Yes.
All right, you can bring it up.
Your
What
Honor,
about-
can I get the name of the interpreter?
Excuse me, can you go ahead and say and spell your name for the,
Juan Bernal, JUANBERNAL.
Thank you.
all right, let's see, I've got Deontay Bryant. Thank you, sir. All right, free trial.
No new arrests, got out 7/11/25.
All right, ankle monitor.
He's been in compliance.
All right. Let's see, not indicted yet. Well, it's good to see you though, Mr. Hines.
Good to see you all.
All right, thank you, sir. Just make sure if there's anything that you need, you make sure you call the ankle monitoring company and your lawyer, okay? All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your
Uh,
Honor. May we be excused?
Yes, sir. Have a good week. All right, I got Kendrell Knox. Kendrell Knox. So. So I'll tell you that with this one, it's kind of been back and forth where he's changed his address, and that's where Mr. Mohammed says, oh, well, it's in Odyssey. And it's, let's see, it's Judge Schwall. So I'll ask Judge Schwall, it's supposed to have a November trial date. Let's see. I can't really tell when this one. Okay. So I don't know where Mr. Muhammad is. Bostic, anything?
He got out 6/23/24, 2 arrests since then, an open case now for a controlled substance and driving with a suspended license. And was arrested also on an FTA on a battery 6/21/25, got out 7/15/25.
Ankle monitor.
The only thing we have on him is low batteries, but they're not really dead. It's really, really low.
Okay, low batteries, but it's,
Still tracking. Isn't like 2%, 3% on the batteries. We should just call him and make sure he's charging his device.
so where's he at now?
He is at
Besides not at 136 prior.
128 Shadow Creek, Fairburn, Georgia.
Let's see.
Was a hearing notice about the person, the person who secured his bond, was not to him. It didn't come with that only.
Where was the other one sent? No, what address? Was it sent to the address he just called out, or was it sent to the address there? You sent one to who was on his bond also? Because in Odyssey, it says Lake Royal Drive. Is that the address you have for him?
The address I have from is 849 Wagon Wheel Circle.
I got Lake Royal Drive in this way.
Did the notice sent to him come back?
No, the notice is him now.
Okay. Mr. Jenkins.
Thank you, Judge. At this time, subject to good notice, being checked. If it wasn't his court, state request bench warrant powerful.
All right.
Unfortunately,
Thank you.
in trafficking.
Judge,
Yeah.
going back to, what's his name, Shawcross? It shows that he got out for a violation 11/1/24 in the cab system. That he's not still in there by their system. He was in there for a violation of drug court, but he's not in there now.
For Shellcross, that's,
Uh-huh.
what number is that again?
Number 19.
So he's not in there.
No, he was booked in 10/31/24, got out 11/1/24.
So Miss Feely, he's not in DeKalb County, Mr. Shellcross. Ma'am, you sit. Miss Feely. Now, so number 19, he's not in DeKalb County. Pretrial said he got out.
He did have court, looks like, with Judge Williams last week. Given that he has no new arrests, and it sounded like he was in the DeKalb County drug court program. It'd be relatively easy to track down, but if he was, we would just ask the court to allow Judge Williams to continue dealing with it. And position 19, I think, also has a private attorney.
Oh, she's not with y'all anymore?
She did not,
Oh.
I mean, I'm happy to at least advocate for him not to get a bench warrant.
That's all right. So what I'll do is I'll talk with Judge Williams too, see if he showed up. If not, because I don't see where anything's been returned. All right?
Oh, good, Judge.
Anything else? Adios, you can leave. Oh, okay.
Mr. Daniel would like Madam Feely's phone number.
Oh,
You can contact her if he's going out of town.
well, I don't think she's his,
Or the public defender's phone number.
oh, okay. Because I don't think she's his lawyer.
Oh,
It's somebody else, but she's here for the public defender's office.
right.
Yeah. All right, anything from anybody else? Outstanding job, Madam Court Reporter.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And the only thing I need is just the second chance representatives, first and last name.
All right.
First name is Anderson, Anderson. Last name is Kamal, Kamau.
All right, that's all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a
Have a
great
good one.
day.
You too.
Judge,
Yo,
is there 1:30 calendar?
no.
It's on